Okay, today we're going to be looking at how to repair a Roman blind when the breakaway catches have broken away and done what they've designed to do so that they don't kill a child. Now basically, as you can see, all of them have popped off the bottom, and when the guests have been here they've obviously been trying to pull it up and down, so one of the cords has gone nearly all the way back up to the top of the track. So the first thing that we need to do is to get this back down to full length. So we just need to put a little bit of weight on that whilst revolving the chain to get this back, to get it back down to the length that it should be. There we go. There's the tension. There we go. Just get these all the way down. Now the first thing to do then is to make sure that the threads are threaded through every one of the loops all the way to the bottom. So this one clearly isn't, so we need to pop this one back through with the clips. There we are. There we go, those clips are still there. There we are. Now, when Roman blinds are made by Zenteria Design, we put 2 rows of the breakaway clips on the bottom 2 runs, because this gives enough, it loses enough of the tension to save your child, basically. And they just clip back on. And that's it, you just clip them on, your top run. That was already clipped on there, that was already clipped on there, so then it's just clipping on the bottom run. Clip. 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 There we go, and it's as simple as that. That blind is finished.